2:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:19 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over southwestern Bush Intercontinental Airport, or near Aldine, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Humble, Greater Greens Point, Spring, Aldine, Cloverleaf, Kingwood, Northeastern Northside, or Northline, Channelview, Bush Intercontinental Airport, Satagast, Atascocita, North Shore, East Houston, Lake Houston Dam, Lake Houston, Hunterwood, Sheldon, El Dorado, or Oates Prairie, East Little York, or Homestead, and Houston Gardens. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.